So again, yeah, we abolish the walking of jocks in there outside because yeah, he expecting that I'm not gonna come, no, and then already that's on my city. The most important thing is the mind city, yeah, by which I text every time that I'm in a boat or I'm near already, by which his brain is prepared. Again, that's big difference. If you're not, you have the patient have not a mindset, yeah. Again, then every time when I go here, I'll text about how many miles or star kilometers there. So again, that's the again every problem should always be a solution. Then here much more of cardio, yeah. Jocks is in cardio by which this one who recovered jocks the atrophy muscles and bones, yeah. Much faster. Okay, jocks continue. This time, okay, good. Because it's tension two, yeah. It's tension two here. Okay, jocks continue. There you are. Okay, good. Here. There you are. Okay, Jax. Where's Jax? Here? Oh, no, stop. Okay, good. There you are. Okay, good. Again, that's tension 3. Really? But look how he sits, Jax, yeah? This is our 9th treatment session. Again, so now he's on straight. Okay, he's on straight. Jax is not stuck, Jax, it's because it's have a tension 3. Yeah? Good. Then continue. There you are, no? So branch from the hair. There you go. Good. Again, that's it, no? So I put my hand in order that the muscles mga kumataga, ano, is about the direct muscles for the iliacus iliopsoas muscles, no? There you are. Not mo externally rotate, no? By which normally mo externally rotate na sila, no? So there's here, okay, continue, Jax. Okay, good, just maintain, yeah? Again, this is not a magic bike, this is a stress test, okay? This one who recovers, Jax, and also Subito. The age matter, yeah, again, the age matter. Which, no, we educate them, okay, good. There you are. Good. Okay, continue, Jax. Here.